The current exchange rate for Avalanche Slide in US dollars is 13.18. Its value has changed by 0.62 in the last 60 minutes, which is a very big deal. Avax has a total market price of $4,559,125 and a 24-hour trading volume of $112,754,141. Despite what most people think, this puts Avalanche Slide Avax at number 17 on the market for digital money. In 2023, how much will Avalanche Slide explicitly be worth? Is Avalanche Slide an essentially smart investment or essentially worth buying in 2023, which is essentially a very big number? Will Avax cost really do a lot better than its unmatched, especially high in a big way? These are our clear hopes for the future of Avax's Avalanche Slide cost, which is very important. AX worth estimate for 2023 based on the cost of an Avalanche Slide and an expert examination in 2023, the Avax number is meant to be between 16 and 12 cents more than a typical value. Most people thought that the average lowest value of Avalanche Slide at the end of this year should be about $15.60, and the highest value should be about $17.55. In July 2023, they thought the Avalanche Slide's value could go as high as $14.17, with an average exchange value of $13.78. This is a very large Avax value estimate. August 2023. In August 2023, the price of Avalanche Slide is expected to be around 13.40, which is less than what most people think. Most people think that the price of Avalanche Slide can go as high as 14.72 cents, which is equivalent to $14.05 in US dollars. Avalanche Slide's expected value September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of an Avalanche Slide is expected to be between $13.96 and $15.42. While the average cost of a Avax in September stays around 14.61 cents per Avax value number. People think that the price of a Avax could reach a real high of 16.16 and a real low of 15.20 in October 2023. Avalanche Slide is expected to reach a minimum number of 14.54. They thought that, contrary to what most people thought, the Avax price could actually reach a high of $16.16 and a low of $15.20. Avalanche Slide Value Tool. Near the end of November 2023, the average price of an Avalanche Slide Avax could go up to 15.81 cents, which is a very important number. Avax could be trading around a maximum value of $16.92 and a minimum price of $15.28 in a buy. In a big way, Avax value gauge is a good way to figure out how much Avax is worth. The price of Avalanche Slide is expected to be around $15.60 between December 2023 and December 2023, which is a very important number. The Avalanche Slide value on Earth can get as high as $17.55, but the average exchange rate is only 16 cents and 12 cents in US dollars. Avalanche Slide Pass Value Test and the after 24 hours, the value of crypto has dropped by 0.37, which is a big drop. If we compare the current market cap of Avax to what it was yesterday, we can see that the market cap is also down, which shows that Avalanche Slide of AX Value Expectation 2023 according to the Avalanche Slide figure, cost and technical analysis. Contrary to what most people think, the average value of Avalanche Slide at the end of the year should be 15.60, even though the last week's value went up by 1.52 against what most people think. Avalanche Slide has shown in a very short amount of time that it has a lot of strength for potential. And they thought that this was a great chance to dive right in and help. In the last month, the price of Avax dropped by 37.926%, saving an amazing $8.06 per shot. Worth showing how Avalanche Slide value number November 2023. The average price of Avalanche Slide Avax could go up to 15.81 cents by the end of November 2023, which is shockingly different from what most people think. This sudden drop means that the coin is now in plunge, which means it could be a good time to buy speedy. Venture showing how definitely Avalanche Slate is a generally good investment or especially worth buying in 2023, which is different from what most people think. Most of the time, the 90-day cost change is around $25.89, and the price has usually gone up from a base in every practica. Avalanche Slide has generally shown a growing trend in a quiet way, so we think that similar parts of the market were very popular at that time. This sudden drop means that the coin is now in plunge, which means it could be a good time to buy if it goes up. Quick look at whether or not Avalanche Slide is a good investment or worth buying in 2023. Contrary to what most people think, the trading volume of Avalanche Slide has grown a lot in the past 4 months. The trading volume includes both the coin's volume and its price, which is very high. The coin's value has also gone up a lot since the beginning of the year. Beyond 4 months, showing that of Axel, you think July 2023. In July 2023, the price of Avalanche Slide is expected to be at a truly lowest price of 12.60 or so. Bitcoin, BTC, falls back below $30,000, but if these correlations hold, it should go up. Re-emerge. Bitcoin, BTC, the digital currency that runs the world's largest decentralized cryptographically secure network, fell about 1.5% on Tuesday to around $29,700. Earlier in the day, it briefly hit new one-month lows around $29,500. The cryptocurrency has been losing steam since it hit a new yearly high near $31,800 last week. At the time, it was helped by 1. Wall Street heavyweights filing for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and 2. A U.S. judge's ruling on XRP that markets saw as crypto bullish. In its most recent drop, BTC has fallen about 2.5% below its 21-day moving average. If the cryptocurrency loses support in the mid-$29,000 range between late June and early July, it is likely to drop to support in the mid-$28,000 range. Even though the technical picture for Bitcoin in the short term is not good, BTC could be helped by macro tailwinds. In fact, Bitcoin could be set up for a pump if a few of its typically strong correlations, like with the U.S. stock market and the U.S. dollar, return. If these correlations come back, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, should go up. In the last 3 or so years, Bitcoin has been strongly linked to the U.S. stock market in a good way. That could be because even though Bitcoin has become more popular in recent years, most buyers still saw it as a risk asset